of science about water cycle. So the materials we need are Ziploc bag, marker and water. On the Ziploc bag we have to draw the diagram of water cycle. So let's draw. So I just pour the water and then I place it in sunlight, and then you can see the first water evaporate and then condense and became the cloud, and then cloud became heavy and precipitate means that little droplets collect on the ocean, and the last is collection. The all you can see little droplets collect in the ocean. So this was all about my project, the way water cycle works. So I hope you understand it. Thank you.